Hello everyone, welcome back on NESTED channel, guys. I'm Ramkesh Singh, senior game developer, YouTuber, and blogger. So, friend, in today's video, I'm going to share with you that what happened and how my YouTube channel got hacked. So, basically, there was really very uncertain thing because I used to heard from my friend that their channel is getting hacked, but I was not believing, and I was thinking that they have done something wrong. Due to that, it happened with them. But I realized myself when it happened with me, and it happened to anybody, because I was thinking that most of time I am very careful, and basically whenever I get any promotional mail, I did not open any link. So the scenario was not that thing, because that thing I used to avoid, but I did something that broke the channel. Basically, my channel hacked, not only the hacked, but all the email ID, all the YouTube channels, all the Facebook, social media like LinkedIn, everything got hacked by one mistake. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what happened, how it happened, and I did not share anywhere on the social media. But today I'm sharing because maybe people learn from this and avoid these mistakes, because it's really very crucial. Because I had started my YouTube channel from since 2015, and it have been almost 10 years, and in a 1 second you are getting hacked and you have no any choice what to do. And in that, you can say, very hectic situation, how we have to deal with it. So I'm going to share with you, so stay with me. If you are new on the channel, make sure subscribe the channel, and you can also share with your friends so that they learn something. So that's it, let's start the today video. So basically, let's start and see what happened and what are the initial stage signal at that time. If I were careful that time, or I was getting alert, but I was not caring at that time. So basically, it started from 2 September. In the 2 September, in the day, someone tried to log in my Facebook. So what happened? Facebook just basically what they did, they just log out my account from everywhere on all the devices. So at that time I thought something happened, because many times people maybe they have tried, but they were not able to successful. So I did not care that much thing. They shared the OTP with me, and I changed the password of my Facebook. So I thought that everything is okay, but I was not sure that I have been hacked. And after the password change, my email ID was same, but my email ID was also have been hacked. So in the evening, what happened, someone have tried to log in on my LinkedIn, and I got the OTP. So due to the OTP on the mobile phone, he was not able to log in, because on the LinkedIn it asked mail as well as on the mobile phone email ID, mobile phone OTP. So at that time, they also got failed. And in the evening, 2nd September evening, I just got chance to go somewhere, you can say outing with the family. And at that time, between 8 p.m, something like they changed the password of my email ID, and mainly one email ID that is related to YouTube, but they have all the credential. And you can ask me that how this credential goes to them. I will come to just in a few minutes. So basically, they changed everything, and I come back at 10:30 p.m, and I was not aware about anything, because you are just going with the family, you are busy, you are having fun. And then I came in the night, 10:30 around, and then I sleep. And when I wake up in the morning, so you can see, like when I wake up like around 5:30, and I checked my wife phone to what is the time. So I saw that there is some notification from my YouTube channel, and that is not related to my content, because my content is related to game development, Unity, modeling. So nothing was there similar kind of stuff. So there was something like cryptocurrency related to Donald Trump, So I thought I understand that something have been something wrong have been happened with me. And then I was, you can say, that was really a critical situation for me, but I did not, you can say, afraid, or I did not, you can say, like emotionally got something that broke me. That was nothing like that. So I just thought that it have been happened. So what I did, I just come on my system in the morning and then open my system and check that how many email ID I have the access in my phone. So basically I checked. So email ID that is related to Nested Mango, I do not had the access. So I thought that have been hacked. And then I check other email ID. So I have the access. I had the access basically, but they had all the credential, but they attack on my one YouTube channel. And you know, I have the many YouTube channel. I had so many stuff there and everything they had. So what I think, like, it have been hacked in my YouTube channel. So there is no any issue with it. It have been hacked. But what is my work to just protect what I have? So basically I check all the access. So I check all the YouTube channel except the Nested Mango I had. So what I did, I try to start the changing the password. Basically I have around 10 to 15 email IDs. So I just change one by one so that nobody can change the mobile number. Okay. And basically then login, they change the password in the night. And you don't believe that my phone or anything did not give any message or any number that system my email ID is getting login on any other places. So I think Facebook authentication is much more better than the Google email ID, because they ask for two-factor authentication. There was everything, but anything does not help. And I don't know what and how they have performed that thing. And you can ask me that how it happened with me. So it happened like I was trying to, that is wrong, and I can say sorry for it. Basically we were working on the one model 3D, and we had the requirement of another software, and we don't have, and that was really very expensive in the market. So we thought to use the crack version of it, and that was my biggest mistake. And all my credential was saved on the Google Password Manager, and people say that it is really very secure, but you believe me, that is not secure. A virus can broke everything. So all my credentials, all, you don't believe, there was so many stuff that can you can say ruined my life, because all the credential was there on the Google Password Manager. So basically when I tried to install the crack version, there I got some virus, and due to that my all the Google Password Manager got hacked. Every credential they had, the thank God just they hacked one YouTube channel. So never try to install any software that is crack. That is rule number one. Or might be if you are going to install, so make sure that nothing is on online, or nothing you have mentioned your credential or something your private stuff there. Okay, so basically you know that how I hacked and what I did the wrong. And after that, if I got the hacked, if I hacked, so what I did, I just keep patience and change my all credential password. And after that, what I do, I check that which email ID I have the access. If you don't have any access of any email ID, so just you have to create new email ID with your new phone number. Like you can use your same phone number, but you have to create a new one, because whenever this kind of stuff happen, so what you have to do, you have to try to see that you have the any email ID, and after that you have to try to mail other media. Like let's suppose I had the like Udemy, and the same email ID was getting used, so anyone can log in. So I just mail to them with my another email ID. I share the government ID, so I tell them that I have been hacked and please remove that email ID. So basically they take immediate action, and they replace my email ID from there, and new email ID have been set there. Same I did with the LinkedIn, because on LinkedIn my email ID was there, which have been hacked after the changing the password. I'm talking about this. So basically I try to replace my email ID, and thank was there, like they were helping me to send the OTP, and I changed the another email ID with same to replacing. And after the changing the password, after reaching out to other platform which same ID have had been used, so basically I reach out to YouTube. So on YouTube, whenever you are going to search on the Google, so you will get like there is a one link that is from the Google. You can just click on that, and you need a one email ID, and make sure that is not hacked, or might be you can create new one, and then reach out to them, to the YouTube. So they will ask basic question like what was your handle of the YouTube, and might be they ask for any government ID, or might be they ask devices where your channel was getting used. So they will provide one number that will be your case ID, and they provide the case ID, and they ask for one email ID so that they can communicate with me. And my YouTube channel, like I told you, I checked in my wife phone, so there was a notification, and when I click on that notification, so channel have been already removed from the YouTube, because they understand that it have been hacked. There was suspicious activity, so they removed already the channel. And then they reply me on the email. I had provided another email ID, so they just mail me and shared that yeah, we checked with our team that your channel have been hacked, and we are just going to help with you with this. So basically they start the process, and after that they ask me, they share a few links to change the password. Basically try another way. I try so many stuff, but I was not able to change the password, because they have already removed my mobile number as well as changed the password. So they provide another link that was related to, like I can directly change my password. So I try that link, but there was case ID was different. So I again asked to my who was communicating with me. So he told me that he have communicate with his team. So basically that is link related to them. So I just use that link and change my password and change my number, and then I got my email ID access. Okay, and after that they asked me to check all their related, like Google Ads, Google AdSense, and I go there and check everything was okay. They ask that check and let us know that everything is okay. So I tell them, and then I try to get my YouTube channel, so that was showing removed. And again I reply them that this is the scenario. So they take some times, like few hours, and they again reply with me, like they are giving my YouTube channel, and there will be nothing, like there was no any logo, or might be some videos gone in the private. So I have to make the public, as well as I have to do the rebranding, like I have to use I have to upload again banner, logo, or might be anything that is going to private, I have to do the public. So I did all the process, and now you can see my channel is alive. And I was also surprised, like I did not share anywhere, like on those any social media platform, but few people on the LinkedIn message me like, hey Ramkesh, I just looking for this video, but we are not getting your channel. So I tell them that my channel have been hacked, and they were thinking like I have removed all the videos and upload on the Udemy. So after that they understand that it have been hacked, and they was feeling really sad that they were used to watch my YouTube channel, they were used to perform, because there are so many stuff you will not get anywhere. So there is some uniqueness on our channel, and thank God we got our YouTube channel back. So this was the whole case. And if something happening with you, so you can also reach out to me. So explaining that is not critical very much, but at that time when I was performing the just stuff, so that was the critical, because it was coming in my mind like I lost my YouTube channel because I had worked on this channel almost 10 years, and you will get lots of videos, you can say almost 2000 videos here. So that was really critical moment, but I did not lose my patience, and I just recovered my YouTube channel. So that's it, and thank you so much for your loving, supporting, and I will keep continue my journey, and hopefully I will be much more careful in the future. So bye bye, take care.